Convert multiple Boolean columns which names start with string abc underscore at once into integer dtype. I need to have 1 and 0 instead of true and false in a pandas data frame for only columns starting with abc underscore. Is there any better way of doing this other than my loop?
Option 1. Converting all Boolean, type equals bool, columns. Option 2. If only those Boolean columns that start with abc underscore should be converted. Option 3. Converting only by column names.
By using str.contains.
You can do this with filter and an in-place update.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.